Today's is just a reminder that you have to say yes and figure it out. That is the number one thing that I've learned over the course of being a full-time artist. A lot of times we psych ourselves out of opportunity because we tell ourselves that we don't have the experience or we don't have the know-how, and we assume that those in position know what they're doing, that they have the experience, when in reality that sometimes they don't know what they're doing. They're just as clueless as us. They just took the first step in trying to figure it out. And the art of figuring it out, the art of problem solving, is a muscle. You have to keep working at it. It's like going to a gym. You have to constantly try new things. You have to constantly stretch yourself. You have to constantly push the envelope. And the way you do that is by taking on projects that actually challenge you. Don't take on projects that you know you're going to fail at, but take on projects that challenge you, but you know you can succeed, because having those small wins, having those small goals achieved will give you a lot of confidence. You can then carry that confidence to the next project. This is basically what I live by in my career so that I can evolve into a better artist. I'm not going to fault myself for aiming high and missing every now and again, because that is life. What I will fault myself for is aiming low and hitting every time, because I'm not stretching myself. I'm not trying to evolve as an artist because I'm staying safe. So if the goal is to become a better artist, get used to saying yes to that bigger opportunity. Get used to saying yes to learning a new material. Say yes to learning a new process, because then you're going to figure it out and become the artist that you always wanted to be.